Dear President Barack Obama, my name is Dadon and I'm a daughter of two Tibetan refugees. My parents fled Tibet into Nepal and India after China's invasion in 1959. Your country has helped many Tibetan families better their lives by allowing us to migrate here to the U.S. But today I'm not only asking for your help, but also for your attention and for your action towards the 87 Tibetans who have lit themselves on fire inside of Tibet for just a fraction of the freedoms we have here in the United States. I'm thankful to be an American and I'm thankful to be a Tibetan, but I'm most thankful to have this voice, a voice that is not kept silenced. And so I ask again, act for the 87 lives that have already been lost, but for the lives that are still struggling inside of Tibet, because Tibet needs you now.